Hello everyone, welcome to EMILY.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. This lesson introduces the input and output of the File Enumerator module. The File Enumerator module can organize all the file paths in a specified folder into a CSV table. The File Enumerator module is usually used to get the file paths in a specified folder. This table not only lets users know all the file paths in the current folder, but also can be used as an input for other modules to connect to more applications. Next, we will introduce the input variables of the File Enumerator module. The input variable of File Enumerator module is an array. Emily will automatically organize all the file paths in the specified folder into the input variable. Besides the file paths in the folder, all the file paths in the subfolders of the folder will also be organized. Users can refer to the file path information to output specific paths into a CSV table. Next, we will actually let Emily get the path to the file in the folder. And we will print out what the input looks like after reading. First, prepare the folder you want to read. In the folder I prepared, there are some text files, and in the subfolder, there are some files. Next, open the Emily training mode. Enter the File Enumerator module. Click the Pick button to select the folder to be read. After setting up, press the Debug button to open the Debug utility and switch to the Console tab. Then type console.log input in the code editor. Press the Test button to test execution. Check what is printed on the Debug console page. Emily organizes all the file paths in the folder as input variables. After expanding the input variable, you can see the path of each file, including the hidden files. Then we can filter the file paths according to the path information. This information is then exported as a CSV table. Let's take a look at the output variable in the File Enumerator module. The function of the output variable in the File Enumerator module is to output the specified information to a table file named output.csv. The format of the output variable is an array. When you put the path string into the output variable, Emily will automatically organize the path information into a table named output.csv. The table format is fixed with two columns, index and file path. Index will automatically number the order of the paths. The number starts from 0. The file path column holds the organized file paths. Take the output in the screen as an example. There are 6 path information. Emily outputs the table content according to the output variable, which will be like the table in the lower right corner of the screen. Next, we will actually write the code to organize the file paths of all the text files in the folder into a table. Go back to Emily File Enumerator module and organize the file paths of all the text files in the folder into a table which can be referred to the online document of the File Enumerator module. The code will filter the file paths in the input variable, filter out the file paths ending with txt, and use output push to output the filtered file paths to the output.csv table. After writing, open the workspace. Press the Test button to test the execution. After execution, Emily will output the file to the workspace and the file name will be fixed as output.csv. When finished, press the Save button to save the module function. End training mode, test and upload skills. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.